Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef MMN, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this super moist fluffy marble cake. If this is what you want to watch, please stick to the very end and also like this video so others can see it. I'll be using all-purpose flour. This flour has already been sieved. I'll be using salt. I have here baking powder. I have my flavor, fresh eggs, milk, granulated sugar, and vegetable oil. I'm going to put the ingredient list and the measurement in the description box. Please check it out. So you're going to be using basin and whisk for this ingredient. You don't need any mixer for this recipe, guys. So I'll go ahead and crack my eggs. If you are cracking your eggs, ensure you crack one and turn in another bowl like I always do in my other videos when I'm not sure of my eggs. So you're going to bring your basin and your egg whisk. That's your balloon whisk, guys, and pour your fresh eggs into your basin and mix it properly. So guys, you're going to ensure that you whisk this egg very well. All that I'm doing here is to make sure that by the end of the day, we're going to have a super fluffy marble cake, guys. I'm going to add in my vegetable oil to my egg and continue whisking. You can also add sugar here and mix. It also makes your cake come out moist. So, but I won't be adding it here. I'll add my milk and continue mixing. This particular method I'm using is going to make your cake super fluffy. Okay, I'm going to add in my flavor. I'm using 1 teaspoon of my flavor. Okay, and I'm going to mix it properly, guys. The way you mix your wet ingredients determines how your cake will come out. So to my sieve all-purpose flour, I'm going to add in my granulated sugar. I'm adding my baking powder and my salt. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so others can see it. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and comment. I would like to hear from you. Also, you can share my videos, okay? So after mixing my dry ingredients and making sure it's well combined, I'll go ahead and pour my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Ensure that you mix this slowly before increasing the speed of your mixture, okay? This is where your batter will come out very, very smooth. So guys, this balloon whisk ensures that we don't have any lump in our cake batter. Like, see what I'm doing? It's already smooth. If you look at my batter, I don't have any lumps. Like I said, this cake does not require any mixer. If you don't have a balloon whisk, you can use your wooden spatula, and our cake is well mixed. To create the marble effect, we are going to take out some of the cake batter, going to share it into 50-50 or 60-40, okay? I'm going to shade because I'll be adding cocoa powder to a portion to ensure that I have layer to layer my marble cake. So after sharing, I have here my cocoa powder. This is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you use 2 tablespoons and is not giving you your desired color, you can also use 2.5. But ensure you sieve your cocoa powder before adding it to your cake batter, guys. So I go ahead and mix this properly and ensure that it's well mixed and well combined so it will not have lumps in my cake. Okay, I want to specially thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please join the family, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So after mixing my batter with cocoa powder, I have my plain batter and the cocoa powder mix batter. We are going to go ahead and form the layer. But before forming the layer for the marble effect, we are going to first of all grease our pan. At this point, if your oven is not preheated, you can go ahead and preheat your oven. I've preheated mine at 160 degrees Celsius, okay, depending on the kind of oven you are using. Ensure you preheat your oven before you finish making your cake so that your oven will be hot. Okay, so I grease my pan with oil. You can also use butter and dust it with flour if you don't have parchment paper, and also line with parchment paper before I begin to layer my batter, my cake batter in the pan. So guys, when creating marble effects, you layer it as I'm doing. Just wash and follow this carefully. Okay, you spread it out and ensure that the whole layer, that particular layer, is well spread. That's the first layer. You spread it to the end of the pan. Then you go ahead and put the next layer, which is the chocolate base. I call it chocolate base. Is cocoa powder, guys. Cocoa powder mix, and you put it at the center. Ensure that when you are creating your marble effect, you are using like what I'm doing, like a cup. You place your hand and make sure it's at the center, and gradually use the cup to touch the batter to shift on its own. Because this batter is not too thick and not too runny, the batter on its own is also shifting to the side, it's spreading out on its own. So that's what we are going to be doing till we complete the layers. Okay, so enjoy this and have fun. Have fun doing this, guys. Have fun doing this. You can as well drop a comment in the comment section letting me know the kind of video you want me to do in my next video. Can suggest a video. What do you want Chef to teach you, guys? I'll be glad to drop the video here for you guys, my amazing subscribers. So just go ahead and drop it at the center and it will be spreading out. See what I'm doing there? As you are dropping the next layer, is pushing out the previous layer, and that's just the trick of creating marble effects or doing your marble cake. Okay, that's just the trick. You have to layer it layer by layer, like what I'm doing. You put your plain batter and you put your cocoa powder base batter till you are done putting all your batters. So after layering, I'm going to use a skewer. You get a skewer like this and place your hand from the side to the center. When you get to the center, guys, don't scatter the layer there, the cocoa powder layer there. Okay, don't scatter it so that the effect will come out well when you are doing it. So while you get to this, when you get to the center, you drop your hand, you don't cross. Okay, see what I'm doing and see the beauty that we have here. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. So our marble effect is perfectly ready. I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes at 120 60 degrees Celsius. And to is that my cake has properly baked. For you to know that your cake has properly baked, you're going to put a skewer at the center and bring it out neat. Nothing should stick. That's when you know that your cake is properly baked. And see where we have the perfectly baked. My cake did not burn. Did you guys see it? It's so moist, it's so fluffy. This cake is very, very fluffy, and my marble cake is ready, guys. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And like I said, you can share my video, you can comment. I would like to hear from you. To my amazing subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for always stopping by. Go ahead and recreate this and let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.